Hi guys, welcome back to Ferris Tutorials. In today's episode, we'll be looking at Tourism Unit 2, Module 2, which is entitled Marketing. And for this episode, we'll be exploring the key marketing tools. Stay tuned. Module 2, Marketing. Content 3, Key Marketing Tools. Now, let's take a look at the learning target. By the end of this session, you should be able to discuss the key marketing tools. All right. Now, before we look at the key marketing tools, we always like to set the foundation. And marketing is one term that we need to define. So marketing may be defined as the management process through which goods and services move from concept to the customer. And in our previous video where we looked at the marketing concepts, you will see where we looked at this definition in a little more details. Good? Now, it includes the coordination of the 4 P's, which are the identification, selection, and development of a product, the determination of its price, selection of a distribution channel to reach the customer's place, and also development and implementation of promotional strategy. Right? Now, the 4 P's are important elements when we speak of marketing, and they are product, price, place, and also promotional strategy. All right. Now, let us look at the marketing tools. That's what we came here for, right? So the key marketing tools are the 4 P's. So we may call them the key marketing tools. We may call them the 4 P's of marketing. We may call them the marketing mix. Whichever name comes on the exam or whichever name you're most comfortable with, remember they are referring to what? Product, price, place, and also promotion. Now, the marketing mix is the combination of marketing activities that an organization engages in so as to best meet the needs of its target market, right? So what is the marketing mix? The marketing mix is the combination of marketing activities that an organization engages in so as to best meet the needs of its target market. Now, the marketing mix consists of 4 P's, right? Now, getting the mix of these elements right enables the organization to meet its marketing objective and to satisfy the requirements of the consumer, right? So just to recap, getting the mix of these elements right, which are the 4 P's, product, promotion, price, and place, helps the organization to meet their marketing objective, which is to satisfy the requirement of their customers, or we may say consumers. Good. Now we're going to take a deeper look at the marketing mix, or we may say the 4 P's of marketing, or the key marketing tools, right? Now, first up, we're looking at product. The products or services offered to the customer. So when we're referring to product in its broadest sense, it is a products or services that is offered to the customer. So when we're thinking about the product and how is it that the customer, we will supply the customer's needs, wants, and even their expectation. So we have to think about the physical attribute. What does this particular product does, or what this service offer? How they differ from your competitors? How are your products different, right? And what benefit do they provide? So we may speak of their key aspects and features, how and where will they be used, the unique selling point. We even speak of packaging of the product as well when we're thinking about marketing. We looked at how attractive these labels or the packaging will be, right? How does it differ from your competitors? So how is it that the product is different? And when we're striving to enable product, to think about product when we're thinking about marketing, these are the things that we should think about. All right, now the next P that we're looking at is promotion. Promotion refers to the methods used to communicate the features and benefits of your products or services to your target market, right? So as it relates to promotion, how will you communicate with your marketing messages? Is it that we're going to go via text messages? Is it that we're going to select a social media page? Is it that we're going to have advertisements on shopping sites? How is it that we're going to promote our goods or services so that the customers can be aware of our product and so that it may be of ease? Is it that we'll advertise on the television or the radio? How, right? So we also think of best times to promote. How will you reach your audience as well? And also, how do your competitors do promotions? So we have to think about all of those, because what? Your business would want to be a cut above the rest, right? And also to gain a competitive advantage. Now, the third P that we're looking at is price, right? How you price your product or service so that your price remains competitive, very important. But even though it is competitive, it also allows you to make a good profit, right? Now, so we're speaking of when we're offering marketing, we want to know what is the value of the product, right? How does the price compare to the competitors? What is the pricing strategy? Is it penetration pricing? Right? Is it that we go into the market and try to gain our customers, and then we over time we increase our price? Good. And what are the discounts and offers that are there? Right? So we have to think about those when we're thinking about marketing our product. Pricing is very important. Finally, we're looking at place, also referred to as distribution. So where your business sells its products or services and how it gets those products or services to your customers. So where are your customers? You may want to ask, or where are your consumers? Where do buyers look for the products? What channels do your customers engage with, right? And what do your competitors do, right? It's also always very important to think of the competitors when we are marketing, right? So remember, the 4 P's are product, promotion, price, and place. And whenever we are developing our marketing strategies, we have to bear these key marketing tools in mind, and we may even call them, remember, the marketing mix, the 4 P's of marketing. Good? Awesome. Now it's time for questions. Number 1, define marketing. 2, discuss the 4 P's of marketing. And also, we may also have for you to list the 4 P's of marketing. You are awesome. You've made it to the end of the video. Now, please subscribe, man, and share with persons too who you know will find this information useful. Thank you for making it Ferris Tutorial.